Hi, my name's Alan Cowgill, and I am so delighted that the South Atlanta RIA has asked me to come in and do a Saturday workshop February 10th on private money, and I'd love to have you be there. It's from 9 to 3, and I am going to get into in depth in private money and teach you things you might have never heard before. I'm going to teach you how to attract money, how to convert people into lenders. I'm going to show you about the paperwork. I'm going to talk to you about managing the money. After lunch, I'm going to get into the SEC. Now, I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice, but I hired an SEC attorney to research every single state. And when he was done, he called me up and he said, "Hey, I'm done with the project and I want to thank you." He said, "I'm moving into my new house and you just bought it." Now, that is not what you want to hear from anyone, ever. But it gives you an indication of the moral obligation I had to you to give you the facts, to make sure you knew what the rules are so you can be able to sleep at night. And they're very, very simple. Throughout the day, I'm going to give you a boatload of techniques that you can instantly use after the meeting. This is both for beginners and seasoned investors. Now, let's say you're doing creative real estate investing, which we all do. And you go out and you do a deal, and the seller wants walk-in money and you don't have it. Or you're going to have rehab or carrying costs on that property and you don't have it. And you might walk away from a deal just because you don't think you can fund it. You don't have that problem with private money. The lenders loan you what you ask for, and you can cover all your bases on that. So you don't ever have to walk away from a deal after meeting me again. Join me February 10th. I'd love to see you. This thing will rock. I'm told minute for minute I deliver as much or more information than anybody else out there. You will learn a ton. Come to learn and come to have a good time. To your wealth.